HARMAN launched the new MUSE Automation platform in 2022, and the first products leveraging that platform are the AMX MUSE Automation Controllers. These devices feature an updated processor which is 10 times faster than its predecessors, updated memory and storage leveraging eMMC. They're compatible with all of the new software tools including Node-RED, and we've vastly expanded the web configuration to make them much easier to configure and deploy. They're based on our secure Linux platform and are backward compatible with legacy devices such as AMX and BSS components via ISP and HiQNet compatibility. The range consists of the MU1300, a small form factor controller with a couple of serial ports, a couple of IR and a couple of IO ports. We then move up to the MU2300, which introduces the rack mount form factor, also the dual NIC, 4 serial, 4 IR, 4 IO and 4 relay ports. And the largest controller is the MU3300, 8 serial, 8 IR, 8 IO and 8 relay ports. In a new form factor for AMX, we're also introducing the MU1000. This is a fully featured MUSE controller with the same processing and memory as its bigger cousins, in a small form factor which can reside within an equipment cupboard or behind a display, dual NIC and PoE power for complete flexibility. In terms of software, we look to integrate it with the most popular tools on the market. For scripting, Visual Studio Code is an open source IDE supported by Microsoft with thousands of extensions available. And we've developed an extension for VS Code which allows you to discover and integrate with the MUSE controllers. Visual Studio Code is compatible with all of the languages that we're using within MUSE and all of the languages that we'll use moving forward. In terms of the low-code, no-code environment, looking at that flow-based programming paradigm, Node-RED gives us this true drag and drop configuration solution, leveraging thousands of available pre-programmed nodes. In terms of Node-RED, we've packaged up the standard application with a palette of AMX nodes into a simple to install and run application called MUSE Automator. With the new MUSE hardware and this range of software integrations, we've created an entirely new palette for AV integrators to create solutions. In the next series of videos, David Vine and I are going to look at how this new MUSE platform solves some of the challenges facing the AV industry today.